Oh, I pray that I don't lose any microphone footage on this one. Make sure that green light is on. My niece over here, but this is getting the taro ready. I wish I had my video from yesterday when we went and collected all this, but I'll do that again because we have to do it every week anyway. I'm definitely looking forward to going back and picking up those. This was my treat yesterday, man. I love banana, so when I found this batch, it was like I'm saving $50, $60 because I went to the market yesterday and just for half of this batch, they wanted $35. I was like, okay, I'm not going to do that. I know we've got property.
I was mad at Mona because it's not ready. You guys cut it.
It's not ready?
Ready.
Oh my goodness. And then he should have known better. I just told him I like banana, and that was the biggest batch I seen. But is this what we ate yesterday? The bananas? Oh, they was fine then. Right.
Right.
The hopa.
I kind of like it when you like it.
Yeah. And for me, hala nipo, no teeth. It makes it easier to, when I pull my dentures out, I could just mash them up. But yeah, we're getting the UMU started today. This is our task for today. UMU, eat good, go to church. That's what Tonga is about. It's a God-fearing country. I love my coconuts every day. Get my hydration in. And this is our UMU. Getting the leaves ready. Getting this ready. We'll cover it up. You'll see in time. Uncle will get it ready and he'll do a good job. He always delicious loo. They're getting that ready in the house. And then that would be our area over here, back down there, for our outside haka. But this is where I find my peace in the world. Life has got too much going on. And I find my happiness right here. And I guess it's showing because my family is seeing it. They said they see a joy in me being here. And I feel the joy. I was depressed when I left last September and left Tonga. I went back and just was depressed the whole time. And I guess they see it in the family. My kids, everybody's noticed it. And they're happy for me. And I'm happy for myself because it's all about mental stability and being able to live a good life, be happy, just live a happy life, humble life. Quick question, Uncle. I got a question for you. I see that pig over there. Somebody brought it? Get it pregnant?
Yeah, one and go to the house. Got it, so we can,
Get it pregnant?
Yeah.
Awesome. So that was the issue. I was like surprised I seen another pig, but they're going to make sure that that pig is getting pregnant, so there'll be more babies and more tulupuaca in the future. I love this place. I never judge anything about this place because who am I to judge? I'll leave that up to God and our Heavenly We're here in this beautiful country of Tonga. One of my favorite places, like I said, in the world to be. My happy place. And there's not much more I could do. Um, not much more I could do until tomorrow afternoon when I go to the Ministry of Tourism. I'll be able to get that paperwork done. That's step one for the business plan. I get that printed out, submit that to the Department of Ministry of Development, and from there, pay for my foreign investment fees, my business company fees, and the business certificate. Um, Once those are done, then I go on to the embassy and consulate, and I could apply for my business visa so I could permanently live here longer than the 31 days allowed on a foreign passport visa. And that's my goal. My wife is excited to be a part of it. She sees my journey is actually coming full fold. I'm thankful for all the people that have been watching and viewing. I would actually continue subscribing, viewing, um, pushing the likes. If you have comments, I don't mind. I've replied to almost 150 comments so far, and all positive ones. And I'm very thankful for that. It's been a good feedback, and um, the show of appreciation for me coming to Tonga and explaining the whole visa process. It's something that um, you don't find out all the little obstacles until you get here. And when you get here, I the ping pong game. But like I said, I live on Maui time, and I have to get used to Tongan time. Um, that being said, everything's moving forward. I didn't expect everything to be done in 1 week. I just thought I'd be 1 to 2 steps, already past the business plan step, submitting that. It only was supposed to take 3 days, but it took me 3 days of back and forth, and then finally getting the right information from the office worker um, that guided me and got me the right um, template, business plan template, so that way I could submit my paperwork properly. Um, from there, it'll go on to development, Ministry of Development, and then on and on. But it's going good, and things are moving. I've enjoyed my time here in Tonga with family members, and um, I will continue. Today's Sunday. We're doing the UMU, getting that ready. We'll go back to my uncle. I don't know how far along they are for getting the UMU started, but I know they're prepping all the food and getting it all um, ready to go in the UMU. Then we'll go to church, and by the time we get back, it should be, relax time for the rest of the day, and um, spend time with the family and enjoy each other's time and company and find things to do that are not working. It's illegal to work here and you can get fined for getting caught working in the uta, in the farmlands, or just running your business on a Sunday. Can land you in some trouble. So take the day off. It's the Sabbath day. You work 6 days of the week. The Lord said, give him one, give him the one. That's something I've never had time or um, really contemplated. I've been going to church, but I've been inactive in church except for whenever I need to go for family events. But I'm happy to go to church today. I'm looking forward to it. So again, like, subscribe, view, push the notification buttons if they're, and have a blessed day. Thank you very much.